sir. This is my presentational statement. The National Association for the Education of Young Children is important to know health standards because it is a guide and training to upcoming teachers. The guide discusses a range of health standards from health records, health consultants, and health sanitation. The children depend on the adults in the center. The NAEYC states children depend on adults to make healthy choices for them and to teach them to make healthy choices for themselves. It is important to know because keeping children's health records lets the teachers know if they have allergies, delays, or health conditions like asthma. Some conditions can be life-threatening, while others cause it like foodborne illness. This knowledge will help support a healthy environment by guiding teachers to know to look at the health records, to practice sanitation, to have a safe place to play. A health environment gains trust with the children and the families. This knowledge does not talk about just one topic of health, but safety from water play, food safety, and outdoor activities. One action that promotes health, the outdoor activities can be from how to properly dress children depending on the weather. They can also provide skin protection from insects, sun, and weather. A second action that promotes health is children's medication. The importance for this is to give medication to children with asthma, food allergies, or just being sick. The AEYC gives good guidance to leading teachers into having a properly healthy environment. Thank you so much for my presentation.